Hi, everyone, here again. And today I'm going to be talking about Komodo dragons, the real-life dragons of Indonesia. Komodo dragons are the largest lizards in the world. I've always been fascinated by these creatures, and I'm excited to share some of the things I've learned about them with you. Komodo dragons can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh up to 300 pounds. They are venomous predators that hunt deer, pigs, and even water buffalo. I've seen videos of Komodo dragons hunting, and it's truly amazing. They're patient predators, and they'll often wait for their prey to come within range before attacking. Once they strike, their venom quickly paralyzes their prey. Komodo dragons are found on the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Motang. They are solitary animals, but they will come together to scavenge for food. I've had the opportunity to visit Komodo National Park, and it was an incredible experience. Seeing Komodo dragons in their natural habitat was truly awe-inspiring. Komodo dragons are an endangered species, and there are estimated to be only around 3,000–5,000 left in the wild. The main threats to Komodo dragons are habitat loss and poaching. I hope that by sharing my knowledge about these amazing creatures goes by the name Komodo dragons, will be helpful to raise awareness about the Komodo dragons' existence and threats they face. Komodo dragons are the real-life dragons of Indonesia. They are fascinating creatures, and they are an important part of the Indonesian ecosystem. It is important to protect these amazing animals so that they can continue to live on for generations to come. I tend to believe that you have learned some interesting facts about the real-life dragons of Indonesia. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.